Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Yellow Basket Fidget Toys. Today, we're going to answer some of the questions you have sent me in today's Q&A. I only received 2, but if any other of you guys sent some questions to me, I'm so sorry but I did not receive it. Maybe because my account was a kid's account. So, let's head to the questions. The first question was sent by Caitlin Bernarte. What inspired you to make a YouTube channel? What inspired me is to make content for people to watch, where they can relax and enjoy the video. So, thank you, Caitlin, for that question. The next question is, what shop did I buy my fidgets? The shop where I bought my fidgets were Toys R Us and mostly Lazada, an online shopping platform. So, that was sent by my friend and classmate, some person on YouTube. I will link his or her YouTube channel down in the description below. So, I only received 2 questions and I think we're done. So, see you next time. Remember, I will link down my friend's YouTube channel down below in the description and my second YouTube channel, Yellow Basket Facts. Thank you. Bye.